This is Inside Arkansas. We're traveling the state of Arkansas to give you a behind-the-scenes look at the people, places, and adventures that make the natural state so unique. Today we're in Bentonville, the mountain bike capital of the world. And I'm gonna learn how to ride. Hey, we're here at the Gearhead Experience Center in Bentonville, and I'm with Nat Ross, who is a world-class mountain biker, and he's gonna teach me a thing or two about mountain biking. So can you tell me a little about your experience with mountain biking?
Sure. I grew up in Colorado, one of the birthplaces of mountain biking. As a Colorado native, I've been adapted to the culture of mountain biking. It's in my blood, in my DNA, and I'm a mountain biker. We're gonna turn you into one. Yes,
I'm so excited. So as a total beginner, can you tell me a little bit about mountain biking and what I need to get started?
Sure. You need a great attitude. You need to be ready to have fun. And then let's do protective gear. Let's start off with a helmet.
Okay.
Perhaps some gloves, maybe some knee pads.
Okay, awesome. Okay, let's chat about the essential part of mountain biking, the bike itself.
Of course, we're going out on the mountain bike, which is called a trail bike.
Okay.
It's a full suspension bike. It's for beginners to professionals like myself.
Awesome.
And you're gonna ride the same bike I am, a specialized stump jumper.
If you are here in Bentonville and you don't have your own bike, you can come and rent one, and Taylor here is going to help me get fitted for one today.
Yeah, we got an awesome fleet of specialized rental and demos here, all ranging from stump jumpers to electric mountain bikes. Look really comfortable on the bike. Looks good to go. I think you're ready to rock and roll.
Tell me a little bit about the trail that you're going to take me on today.
We are on Leopards Lane, which is downtown, and it's a progressive trail towards the end, but it's a beginner intermediate trail, predominantly beginner.
Well, on that note, let's get to it.
Let's ride.
Let's ride. All right, let's do this.
Let's do it.
This is real mountain biking in the country.
Now you're on legitimate
terrain.
Yep, I call it single track.
So is this the kind of terrain that you would really go on?
Yeah, because there's obstacles in here to give you, like, keep you from falling asleep. The terrain changes. You always have to shift or stand or
so
brake.
It keeps it, like, really exciting for you.
Yeah, there's always something in front of you.
I feel like I'm slowly getting the hang of it.
Yeah, you're way more relaxed. Now you got the feel of it there. Look.
Yeah, that felt a little more comfortable.
Even though there were 4 rollers up there, you made it one.
Yeah, it totally felt like that. Nice. This is a good workout. So tell me how mountain biking in Arkansas stacks up against mountain biking in other states.
Yeah, it is progressive here. There's so many flow trails. There's so many trails being built all over the state as we speak even. So the mountain biking here is hot.
Hey!
All right.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers.
That was so much fun. Thank you. How did I do?
You did great. You made it to the end. We're drinking recovery drinks here at Bike Rack. You're an official mountain biker.
Yes. All right, well, thanks for coming along with us today. If you want to learn more, click on the link below for our official cycling guide. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more adventures in the natural state.